Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Happy New Year. I wish this year brings you a lot of abundance and prosperity. May all your wishes come true this year. So today I want to do a general collective reading regarding how your person feels about you. What are their thoughts, what are their feelings and their intentions, and some advice cards for you. So it's a general collective reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. So let's do. Let's get started. So what are their thoughts about you? If you are having a partner with whom you are staying, he is not in separation, but you want to know their thoughts, feelings, and intentions, then this spread is for you. So let's get started. What are their thoughts about you? So we have Nine of Chalices, Wheel of Fortune, and Nine of Swords. They think that you bring lot of good fortune, and they are worried about you because you are like a wish to them. You bring lot of abundance. You are very beautiful, abundant person, and you bring luck to them. That is what they think about you. They are stressed out about you. So let's see, why are they stressed out? Their feelings. Okay, why are they stressed out? They're stressed out because Eight of Pentacles. Because they are concentrating more on work and not on you. That is why they are worried about it. Okay, what are their feelings? Their feeling is Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Hierophant. So they feel they are very sad actually because they are not able to bring you this stable offer immediately. Knight of Pentacle is the slowest moving pentacle. I mean, like, it takes a little bit of time, maybe a year from now. So they want to give you a very, but they are very stable. This is a very stable offer. They want to marry you. Their feeling is that they want to marry you. They want to give you this stable offer, but they are sad because it is taking time, and they are worried that they are not even focusing on you, but they wish for you. So this is it. Okay, then what are their intentions? Intention is Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. Okay, their intention is very good regarding you. Other than Four of Cups, sorry, Four of Pentacles. So they don't want to tell you their financial condition as of yet, but they want a very stable and happy family with you. They want to have physical connection with you too right now, but they want to offer you everything. Like, Ten of Pentacle is a generational wealth, but right now they don't want to reveal that to you, that they are working on their money. These are Four of Pentacles and they have to reach to Ten of Pentacles, so it is going to take a little bit of time. That is where there is a Knight of Pentacle here. So their intentions are very good regarding you. Anyway, so what are outcome of this situation in short term? Eight of Pentacles, again Eight of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. So right now they are working on their money. They are just concentrating and working on their money very dedicatedly. They are not focused on you. That is why they are in stress, because they know they are in lot of stress in short term, because they know they will not be able to give you attention because they are concentrating on their money. So what is the long term outcome of the situation? Three of Cups. So they know that in long term they want a stable relationship with you, and they want to celebrate life with you, and they want to offer all their love, and they want to have a celebration of marriage, I guess, in long term. So their intentions are very good, but they have not achieved their success in money department. So that is it. Let's take some advice cards for you, for the person who is watching this video. Let's take some advice cards for you from Angels Guides. Okay. Okay. What are your least helpful emotions that caused you make poor decisions in past? So angels want to tell you that don't be more emotional over this. Take decision, whatever decision you are having regarding this person. See, set short term and long term goals. Till the time he is working on money, they want you to set your long term and short term goals regarding this person as well as your own life. Okay, you are a twin flame. Very nice. So twin flame is definitely you, both of you are attracted to each other so badly. There's no doubt about it. So you both are twin flames. You have lack of self love, and you are unaware of your self worth. So angels are telling that you should work on yourself and know your worth, and just work on yourself. Set your short terms and long term goals. And you both are twin flames, so their intentions are very nice about you. If you want to keep on going with this person, he will offer you a stable offer. So wait for it. Okay. So that's it in this video. I hope it resonates. I hope you get your answers regarding this person's thought, feeling, and intention, and the outcome. If it resonates, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment for personal readings. Do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light, and a very happy new year. Bye bye.